I'm starting out this vlog today, which is Texas Adventures, by getting ready. I'm almost out of this primer. I just didn't realize this. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer Putty thing, and I actually really like it. So Jacob's apparently watching stuff in the background, but I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me and kind of show you like what I'm wearing makeup wise and all that stuff today, and then we're gonna get into some adventures, and I'm super excited about it because we have the whole day today just to explore. So first stop, getting ready, and then I think we're going to Whataburger. Getting ready, but I'm trying this Milani Make It Dewy finishing spray. I thought it would be a great size for travel, so I'm gonna give that a go and see what I think. First impressions is that it smells really, really good. I gotta do my mascara, and then I'm gonna get my hair done real quick and put my outfit on. So we gotta hurry because it's almost time to check out. I don't know why I whispered that. It's raining and I'm mad, guys. We're at Whataburger now, and it's gonna be a day because Jacob is gonna go play disc golf and leave me at the hotel, and it's gonna be not fun to play disc golf in.
Debating not going and playing.
Like, it's real gross. Let me show you. It doesn't even look that bad right now, but it's just been raining all morning. And I'm wearing this brown hat, which I don't know if I like as much now in this video. And then my new shirt from Blue Hill. I tried being a fashionista. Can't even say it. Fashionista.
There you go.
Got it. But we're gonna go have Whataburger now because I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. Okay, we're gonna have to get through this rain. Hopefully it slows down for Veronica's wedding. Hopefully tomorrow is a beautiful day, no rain, all the water's dried up, and it's good. I'm hoping. Jacob's trying Whataburger for the first time. I'm being so annoying, but these people are never gonna see us again, so.
That's not bad.
What'd you get again? Just a burger?
Just a double Whataburger.
He doesn't like the fries. I tried recording that earlier, but I messed up.
No, they're not bad.
I know that I like this stuff. The fries are okay. I'm waiting for my sauces. This is a freaking sauce. Like, in comparison to my hand, that's huge. We got honey barbecue and honey butter. This is really good with the fries if you ever come here and haven't tried it yet. I came to Ross because Jacob has to get stuff for the wedding. I think I'm gonna try to get some shoes because my freaking shoes keep falling off and I'm getting frustrated. But we're trying to, the main reason we're here is to get Jacob stuff for the wedding because he had stuff, but he didn't have like a tie, and we're gonna get him a different shirt, I think. And it stinks being out of town and trying to shop because there's so much house stuff that I want. But I know we're not gonna be able to take it all home. But there's just so much cute stuff. Like right now I'm in the home decor stuff because one of my Instagram followers told me that there's Ray-Den mugs here that say cat mom on them, and I need them. So I'm getting this from Miranda on Instagram. She loves Sabrina, so I'm gonna get her that and send it to her. And hopefully I can find those mugs because I really want those mugs. But I found this, it's under a shirt for me that I think I'm gonna grab. I really like those, that would work better in our house, but I really like that one a lot. So we ditched Ross or Marshall's, wherever we were, because the line was too long and Miranda said she didn't want that hoodie anymore. So I decided not to get the sweater that I was gonna get, and now we're at Target and I'm super, oh, this smells really good. I'm super excited. I don't even like Christmas, but I'm about to buy all the stuff in the dollar spot because I love cheap stuff. Jacob's shopping for stuff, and he told me that I'm stupid for wanting to buy these, but these are the cutest little baby clothes. Like, there's two sets of things that I really want, so I'm gonna buy them, and I will use them whenever we have a baby, whenever that time comes. But I just think these are so cute, like, and they're unisex, so you can put any type of baby in this. I think they're so cute, so I'm buying them. So rude. We stopped and got Starbucks, guys. This is really good. It has a little bit of a hint of coffee in it, but I got a cream one.
I get to try it?
Yeah, try it.
Pretty good.
I like it. I think I got the white cream, toasted white cream.
Yeah. I'm just as basic as you can get. Vanilla bean, you know exactly what that is.
Vanilla bean's one of my favorites. Like watered down. Their packaging for Christmas this year is super cute.
Merry coffee.
I wanted the other one, but I think this is a peppermint cake pop.
Not loving that idea.
Well, I'm gonna try it.
Hey, you can have all that one.
Tastes like Christmas.
Used to trying different foods.
That's what I was gonna say. This whole vlog is me eating things. It's not bad.
Reminds me of toothpaste.
So Jacob hates it.
He got a little day damage, but he okay.
Take a bite. I think it's probably just a regular one.
No, it's a regular one.
My double chins are showing. So good. So we made it to our second hotel. This is La Quinta. This is where we're gonna be getting ready for the hotel and all that stuff. I guess Veronica has like everyone here at the bridal party. So that'll be easier to get ready. And guys, this hotel room is nice too. If you guys saw my road trip into Texas vlog, I showed you the other hotel that we got and it was really nice as well, but this one's great too. So I'm gonna show you, and ignore the fact that my lipstick's coming off. I know, I'm a mess, it's been a day, but I'm gonna freshen up before we go to dinner. So this is like the entryway to the hotel. And then you come in here and you have this long ass lighting on this mirror. Like I am so excited for the selfies I can take in here. Like what? It's so nice, so good. And then another like nice shower for us to shower in. Jacob, you want to hold the camera and show them
the shower and stuff?
No, I'm in here.
Oh. Yo, MTV, welcome to my crib.
Welcome to our crib for the next 2 days, MTV. So then this is where the magic happens. We finally get a king size bed. We don't know if we like it or not yet, but
We're gonna try one out.
we're gonna try her out and see.
Thinking about a pupper if we can swing a bed. We got a sitting area.
Is our sitting area where we're gonna put our
Never-
bags and stuff.
Never really had a hotel room with a sitting area,
It's cause of these big
but
studios.
it's pretty dope.
Yeah, so I'm excited. That's our room. It's really nice. Going to freshen up for dinner, and then I think we're gonna go grab some dinner and watch a movie and see where the rest of the day takes us. We decided to go and get Texas Roadhouse for dinner because I've been craving Texas Roadhouse and I was let down. They messed up a lot of my stuff, which happens, but it just didn't taste as good to me as home tastes. I don't know what the deal was. Jacob's looking up the movie time right now, but Jacob, what is your review of Texas Roadhouse?
Mine came out okay.
And then I started to have anxiety because I don't feel good, which I know is nothing new. So I was like, I need to get out of here like right now or I'm gonna freak out on people. And so now we're just chilling in the car. We're at this like little like not restaurant, we're at this little like shopping center. And we're gonna go to Alamo Draft House to watch a movie because Jacob really wants to go to one of those. So he's actually looking up the movie times right now so we can figure out how much time we have to kill before we need to go watch the movie. So we decided not to go to Alamo Draft House and just come back to the hotel because we were exhausted. And tomorrow's gonna be a really long day and I wanna make sure that we're both rested. And I've been really grumpy today and I think it's probably just because, well, I'm a brat, but probably doesn't help that I'm sleepy and anxious. So I'm gonna relax here at the hotel and just kind of have a good night here relaxing. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, let me know in the comments below and I will see you guys in my next video, which will more than likely be a vlog too because I'm gonna try to film Austin when we go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.